Hello everyone, this is Green Beauty Factor here coming to y'all with another video. I'm just coming on here randomly because I'm getting ready to go out with my sister and I wanted to jump on here right quick because I just saw this eye look that I did this morning and I wanted to share with you guys how I came up with this look. I know last video it was green, but I kind of like match with what I have on sometimes. So I just want to come on here and just show y'all how I got this eye look. So let's get into what? The video. All right, let's get into this tutorial, y'all. And y'all, this I'm kind of late to the game. P. Louise base. This base brings out the best in any cheap eyeshadow. It took a while to get it, but I will be ordering this again. It's called P. Louise. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But just, you know, I already got my base on already, so I don't really have the time to show you and demonstrate. But I will come back with another video and demonstrate how this base picks up. I'm gonna use basically the cheapest eyeshadows and show y'all how this base.
Hey guys, if y'all want me to make a video on P. Louise, okay, just let me know in the comment section below.
So I'm gonna use my Jacqueline Hill palette. I think I already showed y'all guys this palette before. It's this how it look, and it has the names and the colors on the back. And I'm not gonna be turning the palette over, telling the names of it. So I'm just gonna tell you what colors, what I'm gonna be using. Okay. All right, let's get started. So y'all, I had already used this color right here and this color right here as my, my transitional color. So I already used that. So I'm getting ready to, I'm gonna go back over it and I'm gonna use my go with the flow. That's why I learned. You just keep going. And what I'm going, makeup really doesn't have no rules, but it does have rules, if you get what I'm saying. Okay. It's your technique and what you like. Okay? And then I took this one, and it's from Artist Couture, and I can't see, let me see the name of this one. Because I brought the whole set that she had, I think it was a Christmas. I brought her whole set, the whole set from Artist Couture, and Jeffrey Honor had put LeBron. Now she got La Peach. And this one, is it Mariette? I'll put it in the description box below, y'all. Y'all know I wear specs and I cannot see this. Put my I need to start putting my contacts in when I'm doing these videos, trying to read. Okay, and then I just put this color in with the other one. And see how that bring that out better? I love this. There it is. Now I'm going to blend everything together to get rid of them harsh edges. I just want to jump on here and do a video before my sister come get me, so because we're going somewhere right quick. I'm blending all this out, making sure everything look good. Okay. I'm trying not to put my mirror this way, y'all, so y'all can't see the mirror too much. Y'all can see what I'm doing. I really hope I'm close enough. The camera makes you feel like you're so far away, but then when you go back and look at your video, you up close and personal. Okay, let's see. And then I just take my concealer, yeah, of course, Toffee. And everything that I use down on my foundation will be in the description box below, okay? Okay. And you guys, if y'all have any suggestions, you know, leave it in the comment section below what y'all want me to do next. And I will try to do it for you guys. And I want to come on here and just think I got new, some new subscribers. I want to welcome y'all to my family. And I am so humbled. I may not have 1 million subscribers, but it feels like it when I get new ones on my channel. Let's tell that I am doing something right. Where's my brush? Did I drop it? Yeah. I think I dropped my brush that I normally use to blend this out. So I just use this brush. Again, like I'm saying, I'm very humbled. And I'm going to keep going. And I found out when you are trying to do makeup, you have to, excuse me, y'all. Sorry. You have to be in the mood to do it. Your spirit, your mind has to be in tune in doing this, what I found out. And I'm taking this fan brush and using this color right here to go on my brow bone. Okay. Just to get it a little highlight. And then I take this brush and just blend it in. I gotta go get my eyebrows done. I may not have much, but I do got hairs. Okay. Yeah, like I was saying, y'all, we have, when you're doing your makeup, you have to, you know, your spirit has to be all into it, because it's, and this is like therapy for me, you know, to keep my mind at peace, because I love doing my makeup. I love doing makeup. I love showing y'all guys. It's just that you just have to have the passion for it. And I do. I don't know everything, but I'm learning. I'm learning, because I'm self-taught. So, yeah. So, that's what I'm doing. So I'm coming on here with y'all today. I love you guys so much. And let's see here. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna come back with the final. I'm put my eyelashes on, finish contouring my face, have my hair did, and I'm gonna come back to y'all with the final look. Okay everyone, I am back. This is the final look that I came up with. And I just did my eyelashes, and the lashes that I had was the house of lashes that I got in my BoxyCharm. It's called, I think it's Siren. This is the name. I think I showed it in my BoxyCharm. I got to get me some more of these lashes because they're so comfortable, y'all. I feel like I don't have anything on. I told y'all that in my BoxyCharm video. Y'all need to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And this is what I came up with, y'all.
Hey guys, I don't know why it looks like I don't have any eyeshadow on my right eye, but I do. I am so sorry for that, but you can kind of tell through the whole video that I did have eyeshadow on there. I'm so sorry for that. I'll do better next time. Love you guys.
Alright, y'all, I gotta get out of here. I have to go. But guess what? I'll catch y'all in the next video. Alright, y'all. I love y'all. And y'all have a nice rest of your day or night, wherever you are. And I will see y'all later. Love y'all.